Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to add sticky notes in OneNote. Here's a step guide for adding sticky notes in OneNote on your mobile device. First is to open the OneNote app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. From the menu, tap your profile icon in the top left. Tap the sticky notes icon. Looks like a little square note. The sticky notes panel will open, showing any notes you already have. Tap the page icon button at the bottom right corner. A new blank sticky note will appear on your screen. Tap inside the note and start typing your text. To change note color, tap the three dots menu and the corner and choose a color, and tap on the empty space. You can also add text formatting, like bold, by highlighting the text, then tap the bold icon, italic, or lists if supported in your version. To delete a note, tap the three dots and choose delete. To pin or organize notes, long press on a note and these sticky notes. Then tap the pin in the top right. Notes you create here will sync automatically with OneNote, Outlook, and other devices linked to your Microsoft account. To quickly find a sticky note later, use the search icon at the top of OneNote. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.